Hello everyone and welcome to a quick OneNote tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to switch from vertical tabs to horizontal tabs in OneNote and vice versa. This is actually quite simple. First I open OneNote and as we can see my tabs are currently vertical. To change this I switch to the View tab and find the tabs layout here. If I select this I have two options. As my tabs are currently vertical I select horizontal tabs. And we can see that OneNote now shows me horizontal tabs. The other way around, I can of course change this from horizontal to vertical the same way. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.